I'm going to let you all in on a big secret. Reverse mortgage calculators, absolutely, positively, without a doubt, are terrible. So hang in there with me for a moment, and I'm going to explain the top reasons why this is and why you shouldn't use them if you're serious about considering a reverse mortgage. Hey there, friends. Taryn Proctor here with Retirement Home Equity Advisors, coming to you with another information-filled video about reverse mortgages. And you all know the drill. If you find this video helpful and learned something today, then please go ahead and show your support for our channel and hit those like and subscribe buttons. Now, as I mentioned before, reverse mortgage calculators that you can find basically everywhere online. I mean, just about every single major reverse mortgage lender out there has one of these things on their websites. But many times, these things are absolutely terrible, you guys, and can be very misleading when giving you any sort of an accurate estimate of how much you might qualify for with a reverse mortgage. Not to mention the fact that the number it spits out generally has no context or explanation on what that number even means to you. So, why are these online calculators so inaccurate? Well, number one, how much you qualify for with a reverse mortgage depends on a number of factors that these calculators just cannot account for. For instance, your loan amount most likely will be drastically different depending on whether you choose a fixed rate reverse mortgage or an adjustable rate reverse mortgage. Not only that, but your loan amount can be different from one week to the next because what you qualify for can actually change on a weekly basis. But these calculators don't tell you that. Then we have your personal preferences that will alter your loan amount, things such as how you want your loan proceeds structured. So are those going to be in a line of credit, monthly payments to you, or a lump sum? These preferences the calculator also cannot account for. And lastly, those calculators are based on the data that consumers put into it. Now, please don't take this the wrong way. But it is my experience that most people don't quite know how an appraisal is really conducted and how appraisers actually come up with a value for your home on a refinance transaction, which is completely understandable. And why would you know that? But so many times what we see is people going online to look up their home value on one of these home value estimation sites, when the reality about these sites and what they are actually known for in our industry is that they can often be extremely inaccurate. Therefore, when your loan amount is greatly influenced by your estimated home value, if that estimation is incorrect, that will then drastically alter that estimate even further. So ultimately, what we wind up with when it comes to these online reverse mortgage calculators is they have a very high margin of error, which means they're basically useless in many cases and causes confusion and unrealistic expectations. I mean, I have seen these things off by $60, $70, $80,000, which is a huge margin. And maybe you're fine with that. Maybe you are just looking for an incredibly general idea, which great, if so. But the reality is most of these companies are utilizing these calculators not as a means of educating you, no, but as a means of getting your information so they can market to you, all based on information that in many cases, not all, but many, is not accurate whatsoever. So if you really want to find out an accurate amount of how much you currently qualify for with a reverse mortgage, along with all of the nuanced aspects of that loan amount and what it all means, then definitely give me a call so we can go through your options in detail and you can be as informed as possible without getting misled by these online calculators. So I'm currently licensed and able to help folks in Arizona, California, and Colorado. And you can reach me at 888-982-0475. And that is a wrap for today, folks. So thank you all so much for watching, and take care.